How do you get your hands on all this? It's happening with such speed. In fact, it's remarkable that the federal government is putting monies to the states, and as we speak, even before fully in place to have the full transparency and accountability systems, the states are already signing contracts with various players to begin the process of delivering on some of the promises. This is going to require a lot of energy on the nonprofit sector's part to find the money, to find the right approach to get the money, and you are ever so lucky because you do have Illinois Resource Network, NET. If you didn't have something like that, you would be it'd be very hard. In other states, when I talk to people right now, everyone's scrambling, trying to figure out, how do I do this? What is going to happen? I do think that it is remarkable, absolutely remarkable. This law was signed in place, maybe a few more than 30 days ago. We now have the recovery.gov website. We now have this grants.gov website that lists all the grants that are available at the federal end. And then in each state is a recovery website. All but 7 states have now created websites. They're incredibly uneven. I've gone and visited most of those websites. There are some that are really incredible in the sense that they provide how you get the money in that state, the money that passes through the state. There are some that simply just list what the federal law says, how much money is being allocated. There are some, like Illinois, that have a mixture of things. On the left-hand side, you see state program lists, so you can click through and see the programs that have their own recovery pieces. There are a host of resources, though, that are available. And my guess is, as time moves along, all of these remarkable things that have happened in the last 30 days will become even more robust. They have to catch up with what is going on. It's striking on recovery.gov, literally millions of eyes have been going to that website. I think the president and most of his staff have been shocked at how much the public has been going to that. And I think the reason is the public wants accountability. They want to know who's getting the money. And I think we all have a right to that information. So for the nonprofit sector, what is this going to mean? This is our moment. This is our holy cow. This is our amen. This is all of it rolled into one, both the stop and the go. This is a chance to take the innovation, the energy that we each bring in this room and apply it to make our community stronger. The kind of collaboration that was talked about in the last session is precisely the beginning points for tackling these kinds of issues. Will it be frustrating? Will it be challenging? Absolutely. This is not a panacea, but it is a wonderful opportunity that most of us in our professional lives have not had a chance. Most of us have been at the point where it's do more with less. This is a chance to try some new things. It's a chance to talk about improved delivery. It's a chance to talk about research, to talk about what works in our communities. And it's an opportunity to monitor how all of this is really working. So this is, if you will, one of the many amens that has to begin, and it's happening in front of us right now.